let's move on to integers. Integers are whole numbers without decimal point. Integers, tanan integers are counting numbers can be an integers. These are the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if we want, we put 1.14. 1.14 is a decimal number, so it cannot be an integer in Python. Integer can be negative, negative 1, or can be a positive number. They can be as long as they don't have a decimal point. Basta kay wala sila tuldok, was left point or tuldok, such as 0.1 is a decimal. A decimal number can be called as floating number. A floating number in Python is a number that floating numbers signifies as real numbers. Floats are written in decimal point that segregates the integer from the fractional number, such as 4.1, 55.2, 8.99. So as long as they have decimal point, they can be called as float. They are float. And that's all. It's all about integers and floating numbers.